You're yellowing your teeth every day in various ways. No matter how big your smile, your yellow teeth make you less attractive. Created by dentists, this is the Dr. Quorum Collection, the ultimate whitening dental care package. The Dr. Quorum toothbrush is a premium electric toothbrush with fiber optic light technology that maximizes whitening effects. The LED accelerator light is delivered directly to the colored tooth surface in order to decompose pigmentation and remove plaque. The effectiveness of Dr. Quorum can be proven through 3 experiments. First, the results of the light transmittance testing proves that Dr. Quorum's accelerator light accurately reaches its destination. Second, Dr. Quorum shows the ability to break down pigments more effectively than any other product. Finally, the gentle vibration eliminates risk of gum damage while effectively decomposing pigmentation. The whitening toothpaste is perfect for everyday dental care. The whitening gel maximizes whitening effects while still ensuring safe, risk-free whitening. Dr. Quorum's 3 modes provides the complete oral care solution. The clean mode effectively cleans and removes plaque from your teeth. The white mode maximizes whitening effects by breaking down unwanted pigments. The ortho mode assists with the straight arrangement of teeth through low vibrations. The Dr. Quorum electric toothbrush can even clean itself. The case emits UV light that is completely harmless to the human body and sanitizes the toothbrush. It also provides drying functions at the same time. Dr. Quorum offers you the ultimate portability. White teeth isn't just about better looks. It's your smile, your confidence, and your life that will change for the better. Achieve white teeth with Dr. Quorum.